This is my Xcleen laundry whitener. So I'm sure you guys have probably noticed this, but over time, whenever we wash white clothes and we don't actually clean out the inside of the washer, it leaves a gray film. So in order to eliminate that, you're actually going to use these strips. So really easy to use. So what you actually do is you take this sheet and you put it in the beginning with the wash cycle as you're washing your white clothes. So what this actually does is it helps to eliminate that that gray film that may show up on your white clothes after you wash them. So the directions are very straightforward. It actually gives you a step-by-step right here. So fill machine with laundry as usual. Place 1 to 2 sheets in the drum. Add washing detergent and select wash cycle as per normal. At the end of the wash cycle, remove the sheet and discard. So it actually tells you how it works on the side of the box as well. Numerous washing residues in the washing solution, like we talked about. Lying down for a long time can create an unsightly yellow tint. This active white cloth removes graying and yellow, gives the laundry its radiant whites that you want. Used regularly, white retains its luminosity and gray veil cannot be treated. Be used with any washable detergent or fabric softener, which is really nice so you don't have to buy a specific one. It's for use in hot or cool water temperatures, suitable for all white or patterned white laundry, not suitable for use on textiles that have been in contact with suntan lotion or contain UV protection. Follow the care symbols of the fabric and machine manufacturer's instructions. Like I said, it's very straightforward, very easy to use. It comes with 60 of them, so you have it for 60 washes. So what you could probably do is you could use this and then get your clothes to where they get rid of that yellow or that gray that you don't want on your clothes. And then after that, just keep it to the side for when you need it again, and then just go ahead and rinse and repeat and try it again.